Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In this guide video, I'm about to simply guide you and show you some of the common solutions and what you can do if you're not actually being able to send messages on TikTok. Now there could be many varying reasons behind that, so which I'm going to explain in this video as well. So you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So what can you do if you can't send messages on TikTok? In this video, we're simply about to discuss some of the reasons why you might not have been able to send messages on TikTok. So make sure to stick with us till the end. First of all, let's say I open TikTok right over here. And TikTok has basically released a new feature that you will not be able to send a message if you're under 16 years old. So if you're under 16 years old and while you signed up for TikTok account, you basically just put an age somewhere below 16, then you would not actually have the chat feature enabled. So you want to make sure to update that age. And if you want to update and learn how to update your age, you can watch our other video. We'll show you how you can update your age. But if that doesn't work, then what you can do is simply contact the TikTok support team and then tell them that you're actually really 18 or 19 years old, but you just randomly put in some age between or below 16. Then what you can do is they could ask you to verify your identity using a government ID, your driver's license, your national ID card, or anything similar to that, and they should be able to help you. And if you want to go to the help section, you can tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. And after you tap on your profile, on the top right, tap on this hamburger icon and then go to settings icon again. And as you go to settings here, you want to scroll down and tap on report a problem. As you tap on report a problem button here, you want to simply type in and go ahead and enter all of the details of why you think you should have updated your age again. Now this is the first thing. Now the next thing that is that if you go to inbox and then you actually try to send a message to somebody and you're not being able to send them, then it is most likely because you don't have a mutual following with each other and you don't follow each other mutually. For example, if this person or this profile follows me back but I haven't followed that person, it basically means I'm not friends with this profile on TikTok and I won't be able to send a message. Now previously you could actually send message to just about anyone, but TikTok updated this feature and you won't be able to send a message until you both actually follow each other. So you want to make sure you both have kind of have that mutual relationship with each other in order to be able to send a message on TikTok. We hope this answered your question as to why you're not being able to send messages on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.